So this is a private beach. We are the exclusive people. We are on the private beach. Why don't we just relax? It's so beautiful. What it says. Come on, let's go closer, Alex. Woo, pretty. Very good. Alex, come on, let's get to the water. Oh, the water's right here, honey. Late in the beach. Yeah, come on, Alex, show me the lights here, baby. Yeah. Come on, Alex. No, I'm just staying right here. I'm not, come closer. Look at the water. Woo! The water is so beautiful. As wide as you can see, far in the ocean. Alright guys, let's go. The water is dangerous. So beautiful. That's what I think it is. This is really nice. This is carrot shed. We have these in Trinidad. That's the exclusive area over there. What it says here?
Oh, remember to first.
Dang, yo.
So many years.
This is made out of carrot shed. So even though it's nighttime, there's people hanging out. I guess this is what breakfast is served in the morning. There's a guy there getting everything ready. And look at the tropical plants. So beautiful. I know these plants very well. I used to pick it and make a garland out of it. I used to make this plants. Guess he's the wanderer. Come on, Alex. There's pools out there. There's a pool out there. No? This is the chest we just passed by. They actually play chess here. Let me see if I can move a piece. Stay here, Alex. So I'm going to move this piece to here. And then the black person's supposed to move. Here's the king. I'm gonna block it here. Here's queen. Checkmate. Okay. It's nice playing chess in the middle of the night. So beautiful. Look at the skies. It's dark. It's nice that they have it light up all the path, light up, so you could walk. Guess a lot of people are sleeping in the nighttime. But it's a little walk to the beach. So prepare your mind to walk, but it's beautiful. There's another pool. Humongous, right? There's nobody out here, but the pool is pretty deep. It's big. I guess this is where they play volleyball and everything. And all the games are played here in the daytime. It's named by the villa. Villa 17, Villa 18, Villa 20, Villa 30. So it's easy to find it. How beautiful the trees is. The sky is so bright. Where are you going?